Hey guys, so I'm here and I have my leaf blower kind of tool, and it's more like just a big. It'll blow a lot of air, so you could use it however you'd like. So I'm gonna open it up here. Ooh, this is nice. It comes in this nice box. So let me pull this up, and then we can show you kind of what it looks like. So there we go. So this is perfect. It comes with the battery. It comes with 2 batteries actually, and then also the charger here, obviously. But these are 24 volts. So I actually have. Well, let's see. Let's see if these are charged up already. They probably are. Oh yeah. Man, you can feel it going back just from. Look, you can see it already working. I mean. Look, it's already moving all this stuff over. So this is perfect. I mean, it is super powerful. I can feel it. I can feel it go back when I pull it. So, I mean, look, you could just see it. It totally works. And so that's sweet. And you can see it, how fast that thing is going. And it comes with 2 batteries, and then the charger, and it comes with that little case there too. So that's perfect, and I would definitely give this a thumbs up.